Hey, chemistry of class 11th and class 12th. Very important subject which acts as a bridge between physics and math for JEE, physics and biology for NEET, right? This chemistry can decide your score improvement, overall score improvement for NEET or for JEE. Not only for the competitive exam, if you are preparing for CBSE class 12 boards, chemistry can improve your overall percentage. If you can give little focus, if you can study it strategically, not in a harder way, if you can study it in a smarter way, you can definitely increase your scores both in competitive exams as well as in CBSE board exams. Not just CBSE, any other state boards which are following NCERT syllabus. Hi, I'm Nalini, founder of Homeschool. I have helped thousands of class 11 and 12 students to master this subject called chemistry, right? I know most of you would feel one branch of chemistry very difficult. Some of them feel physical very difficult, or some of them will feel organic very difficult. But I'm here to help you out with both physical chemistry, organic chemistry, as well as inorganic chemistry. It all depends on how you study, right? You can't memorize this subject. People say this is based on memorization, but not completely. You don't need to memorize any organic reaction. You don't need to memorize any inorganic reaction. Okay, so conceptual understanding is the key here. So I'm here to navigate you all through the wonderful chemistry courses. If you are a dropper, or if you are currently there in 11th and 12th where you are not satisfied with your college teaching or school teaching or coaching institutional teaching, then this can be a best substitute. This is a self-study course where all the concepts are explained in the form of structured recorded videos. So you can study from wherever you want. You can watch the videos as many times as possible. So I can say this can be your wonderful study guide if you are preparing for competitive exams and board exams seriously. Not only for the students, this course can work with those teachers who are starting their career afresh. So I do understand how a new teacher who has just started their career feels like, right? Lot of overwhelm, but you can go through this course and become master with the topics. Okay, so what is there in a course, right? So this is our homeschool application. So if you can get the access to a course, you will end up seeing a page something like this. Okay, so in courses, you will find different modules. Like this is a module on basics. So if you just click on this, you will find all videos relating to basic mathematical skills and the basic understanding of science, okay, which is essential to understand class 11 and 12 chemistry. Okay, so we have multiplication tricks and we have log, anti-log, we have certain things about significant figures, unit conversions and etc. And these are the chapter modules, right? So I will open one chapter module and I will show you all concepts are covered in the form of a beautiful recorded videos where the concept is explained in the conceptual way. So conceptual understanding is very important to crack any competitive exams. You all know that, right? So, and not only that, you'll have certain questions where the answers are there in the form of videos, and beautiful notes is provided for you all. So this is a notes that you can use. So this is a handwritten notes, beautiful handwritten notes. Okay, so you can remember the contents just from the notes. Okay, so from basic to advanced, every concept is covered in a detailed way. Questions are given at the end. They are the practice questions and their solutions are also given. Okay, so I can say this is a complete package that you can use it for yourself. Concept is there, explained beautifully in a very detailed way from basic to advanced. Notes is there, questions are there to practice, and also the solutions of those questions are also available. Okay, so course is designed based on lot of research towards competitive examinations, right? So basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom, all chapters, all physical chemistry chapters, inorganic chemistry chapters, chapters like thermodynamic equilibrium were explained very beautifully, especially for the competitive point of view. It can be NEET or it can be JEE. So all these are class 11 chapters, and coming to a class 12 chapters, right? So you have everything, solutions are there, okay, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry. So these are the physical chemistry chapters. D and F, P block, these are the inorganic chemistry chapters. Coordination compounds is beautifully explained, and from here are the organic chapters. Okay, so alcohols, phenols, ethers, and all other chapters. So this is a complete package of class 11 chemistry and class 12 chemistry. So if you are feeling chemistry difficult, or if you want to improve that extra marks, okay, in a overall perspective, I can say this is the best course that you can take up. So to access to this course, just click the link given in the description, or you can message to the WhatsApp number that is scrolling down. See you in the course then.